What's up everyone, welcome to a new video. As you know already, in this channel you can find a lot of information about how I trade and some concepts about smart money, which are some concepts that I have inside of my strategy. Now, as I said already in many other videos or on my Instagram, if you follow me already, and if you don't, make sure to go follow me for also daily tips and to actually follow what I'm doing and my entries and my trades and so on. As I say many times, smart money is a great tool. It has some great concepts, but in my opinion, it is not something that makes you profitable. As you know, right now, it is very, very popular. A lot of traders are using smart money, including myself, keep in mind, but still the 90%, so the majority, 90% of traders, or maybe also 95% of traders are still losing money, as I say many, many times. And you might wonder why. Why everyone thinks that smart money makes a person profitable, but they still lose money. The reason why is because a system with an edge on the market is missing. Smart money has great concepts. They can be applied, they make you understand how the market moves, but if you don't have a system that is proven to work over time and is proven to give you that extra edge in the market, then it is not enough to actually be profitable. Of course, mindset and psychology plays a huge role, and you might argue that 90% of traders also lose because of that, and I agree that it plays a role inside of the overall 90% of traders, but this is not the only thing. Keep in mind that smart money needs to be contextualized inside of your strategy. With that being said, I hope that you will like this video. Make sure to subscribe, because I will drop 1 or 2 free videos with free education here on my YouTube every single week. And if you want to join my course for some extra education and to actually learn how I trade and to follow my setups and my entries, then the links are here below. I'll see you in the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, we are going to check on how to trade on 1 minute time frame. So first, I'd like to check the charts here in Euro USD. So as you can see here, the market is going on a downtrend. So first, we need to start in the higher time frame, which is, for me, it's in 4 hours. We need to see how the price is going from this area. So as you can see here, this is the high, current high, low, lower high, lower low, and so on. So this area here is for me is the current supply zone that needs to see the price, because this one is already mitigated, or it has failed here. So this is the current supply zone that we need to check. Why? Because this is the last up candle that has caused this this break to the downside. So we would like to see the price action within the lower time frame. So this is the current price. It is already top on our POI. So going down to the 1 minute time frame, as you can see, let me just put it here. Okay, so as you can see here, this impulsive move to the downside, break this equal lows here. So yeah, so I drew this premium and discount pips because I want to see if the price will go here, because if you want to place a sell, it's better to place it in the 50% of this move or within this premium zone. So okay, I'd like to see the price goes here, and then if you wanna check the 4 hours again for the take profit, there's a lot of liquidity below on this low. So as you can see here, there's a lot of stop losses that might be grabbed before going to the upside, like on this one. But we want to focus on this area in the lower time frame, which is the 1 minute. So we want to check first our take profit. Want to take profit on this area. Okay. Okay. So let us see if the price will go here in the 50%. Okay. Okay. I think it did came back. Okay. So it came back on our sell limit. So let us see in the 5-minute time frame. Okay. So as I mentioned earlier, this is a risky trade because this is just a, let me just put a mark on this one. This one is a change of character from having this bullish trend and then having an impulsive move to the downside. So there's this the sellers are in control in this part. So you wanna see if the price will go on the 50% or will just create a liquidity above this. So the price did grab above the liquidity on this part. Okay. And then now it's going down again. Let us see. So we wanna make sure that there's a lot of break of structure to the downside because our bias is sell. So let's see. Okay. So in this area, as you can see here, there's a consolidation, which maybe the market is building up a liquidity above on this area and below on this area. So let us see if it will break to the downside. Okay. Consolidation, this part. Okay. Now the price is having this break of structure and it's also breaking this low here. So as if we could like see in the 1 minute, for me there's a liquidity above here. Maybe the price could go here or above here and then go to the downside after. So let's see if what will the price. So we're still in the trade. Let's see if it will continue to the downside or it will grab the liquidity on this part, because this is if you're a student or having wanted to avail to the course, this indicator is included on the Forex XL course, and it will just show you the Asian range and the 50% of that range, so that you could see if it's in the premium or in the discounted zone. So let's see. So as you can see here, the price grabbed the liquidity above the Asian high. So this is the Asian high right here. So this is the Asian high. It grabbed the liquidity above it, and as well as on this part, the range over here. So it also grabbed the liquidity above that. And the price makes this impulsive move to the downside, but it didn't break anything low on 3-minute time frame. So let us see in the 1 minute. Okay, so as you can see here, it also breaks this Asian low here. But now it closes below it. So this is a great indicator that we can now confirm that we are on the downtrend. So I'd like to see the move, or I can place another sell here, because right now I have a confirmation. Since this is a risky one, this one is having a confirmation that we can place a sell limit within this area. Or maybe for if you are if you like to be sure or to be safe, you can put the SL here and follow this take profit. So let us see if it will like go in this 50% area of this move. Okay. Okay, maybe not. Didn't go back on that area. Okay, it didn't go back on this one, but this trade is still running, and let's see if it will hit our take profit. Okay. Okay. So our take profit is as it, and it will actually go down and mitigate this trend liquidity that I mentioned earlier. So looking down on the 1 minute time frame here, you can still see a lot of opportunities aside from the one that we took. Especially on this one, the price is having or is creating a supply zone that the price holds. like this one. Okay, so after the move to the downside breaks this low, it breaks another low here and created this supply zone here. So you can place another sell on this area and go on the take profit, same take profit that you place on the first trade. So it is important that we manage our trade and we manage the risk management on this part. So we usually advise the students to risk just 0.50% to 1% per trade. So in this trade we make 7.7%, and then if you wanted to take or scale another trade, you can also. So on this one, it's a bit risky because you just place 5 or 7 pips on this one, and having a 32 to 33 risk reward ratio. So yeah, that's it. So just have a recap. So one is to check your higher time frame bias, which is 1 to 4 hours, and then confirmation at lower time frame. So since we are in a sell, we wanna see a bearish movement or impulsive movement to the downside. Like as we could see earlier, there's a change of character and multiple breakup structure. Another one that we could see is once we have the confirmation, we can use the premium zone and the 50% of it, or the equilibrium of that specific move to the downside. So if it's in a buy, you could use the discount area for buys. So yeah. So could try this and have a back testing on this strategy. Can be useful on your trading. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you.